Before going for a bike ride, it's important to take several precautions to ensure your safety and the safety of others. Here are some key precautions to consider. Bike maintenance. 1. Check tire pressure. Ensure your tires are properly inflated according to the manufacturer's recommendations. 2. Inspect brakes. Test your brakes to make sure they are working effectively. 3. Check chain and gears. Ensure the chain is lubricated and gears shift smoothly. 4. Inspect lights and reflectors. Make sure your bike has functioning front and rear lights and reflectors for visibility, especially if you plan to ride in low-light conditions. Personal safety. 1. Wear a helmet. Always wear a properly fitted helmet to protect your head in case of an accident. 2. Wear appropriate clothing. Dress in comfortable, weather-appropriate clothing. Wear bright or reflective clothing if riding in low-visibility conditions. 3. Use gloves. Consider wearing gloves to protect your hands and improve your grip. 4. Eye protection. Wear sunglasses or protective eyewear to shield your eyes from dust, debris, and sunlight. Route planning. 1. Plan your route. Choose a route that is safe and suitable for biking. Avoid busy roads and highways when possible. 2. Know the terrain. Be aware of any steep hills, rough terrain, or potential hazards along your route. 3. Inform someone. Let someone know your route and expected return time. Weather considerations. 1. Check the weather forecast. Avoid riding in severe weather conditions such as thunderstorms, heavy rain, or extreme heat. 2. Prepare for conditions. Dress appropriately for the weather, and carry additional layers if necessary. Safety gear and supplies. 1. Carry identification. Have your ID and emergency contact information with you. 2. Bring a repair kit. Carry a basic bike repair kit including tire levers, a spare tube, a pump, and a multi-tool. 3. Hydrate. Bring enough water to stay hydrated throughout your ride. 4. Snacks. Carry some snacks, especially for longer rides. Traffic rules and etiquette. 1. Follow traffic laws. Obey all traffic signals and signs, and ride in the same direction as traffic. 2. Use hand signals. Indicate your turns and stops to other road users using hand signals. 3. Be aware of surroundings. Stay alert and be aware of your surroundings at all times. Look out for pedestrians, vehicles, and other cyclists. 4. Ride predictably. Avoid sudden moves and communicate your intentions to others. Health and fitness. 1. Know your limits. Do not overexert yourself. Choose a route and pace that matches your fitness level. 2. Warm up. Do some light stretches or warm-up exercises before starting your ride. 3. Take breaks. Take regular breaks to rest and hydrate, especially on long rides. By taking these precautions, you can help ensure a safe and enjoyable bike riding experience. Support my channel by subscribe, share this with your friends.